Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing some honey mustard mozzarella chicken. It's gonna be delicious. Stick around. Alright, now I'm gonna be honest with you. The recipe calls for boneless, skinless breasts. Well, I don't eat the breast, that's my wife's thing, and I didn't feel like deboning this chicken. I had a whole chicken, I cut it up. So we're gonna alter it a little bit. We got our oven preheating for 375. I brined my chicken. It was supposed to be just chicken breast, lemon pepper, but I did, a little bit of salt, brine on them for about 4 hours. So it shouldn't be too bad for salt wise. I am going to put the lemon pepper on there. When I am going to combine here, I'm going to take everything off my table here. Give me 1 second. All right. Magic, huh? Well, the recipe calls for half a cup of mustard and 3/4 a cup of honey. So we're going to go like this with the honey. So I'm assuming they want it covered. Looks good. And I got me some spicy brown mustard here. Looks about a half cup to me. Work that out. Set these over to the side. Break this out a whisk. Give this a mix. Now the question would be, would it be simpler to put the lemon pepper on first and drizzle this over it, or drizzle this over it and add the lemon pepper? Let's see. All right, I'm just gonna sprinkle the lemon pepper on it. I'm not gonna get crazy with it. And I'm gonna do something a little different than the recipe, because it wants you to drizzle this on and then cook the chicken for 25 minutes. But it's boneless, skinless breast. So I'm gonna cook it like this in the oven. Being this bone in, I'm gonna go about 30 minutes. Looks good. And with the addition of the lemon pepper, I'm gonna go with some garlic, because I prefer garlic. Yes, there's a back involved here. And yes, I'm gonna get this other side. Maybe not so much with the lemon pepper, but definitely with the garlic. Because I love my garlic. And since we started that, I'm gonna hit it with some accent. And just a little bit of my complete season. Get this other side. Like so. Come back with my accent. and into my preheated oven for 30 minutes. Bring you back when I come back out. All right, chicken's out of the oven, and I'm gonna try to do this as evenly as possible. We'll see how it comes out. And I'm gonna do this for another 10. And I didn't mention it in the beginning, but there's some bacon that goes along with this game. So I'm gonna get me a good glaze going on my chicken before I add the bacon. Get this is nicely. Honestly, the chicken breast don't matter as much. My wife don't eat the skin anyway. So we got that. Looks good. Enough. All right. Back into the oven. About 10 minutes. And we'll pull it, add our bacon. All right. Timer's going off. Chicken is really looking good. Got me some bacon here. Let's turn this sideways. Get on some gloves. And we're just gonna lay it out like this. Because it looks good. Don't you agree? I'm here to tell you, I got a feeling. This is gonna be awesome. All right, let me finish getting this together. I'll bring you right back. All right, got that taken care of. We're gonna go back into the oven for another 10 minutes. We add our cheese, and we're gonna do another 10. All right. Sorry about all the rattling. For the bag. We just gonna cover it with cheese. About like so. So let me finish this up and I'll bring you back when I got it done. Well, I'm guessing that's why they went for boneless, skinless chicken breast. It's easier to distribute, but we're gonna go with this. I'm going in the oven for another 10 minutes and we'll see how it turns out. All right, the end results. It was a total of about 50 minutes of cook time. Everything smells good, looks good. All it needs is a little bit of extra color for presentation. Hit it with a little bit of parsley. I'll be able to serve it up, put it on the table. It's gonna look great, it's gonna taste great. Everybody's gonna be satisfied. Got me a little side mixed vegetables going. When that's done, I'll be ready to eat. With that said, I appreciate you joining us today. Subscribe if you have not. Tell a friend about us. Leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Algorithms love that. Hit that notification bell. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.